In this video, I'll show you how to make some beautiful popcorn using the COSORI Air Fryer. So many are trying to make healthier decisions and reduce the amount of trans fats they consume. Air fryers are a great option due to the limited amount of oil used and how the food is actually cooked in comparison to deep fryers. So let's get started. First, line the base with aluminum foil to help keep the container clean and help you easily remove your popcorn later. Ensure to fill out all the edges with your foil. Measure half a cup of your favorite popcorn. And add popcorn to the COSORI basket. Ensure that you spread the popcorn into a single layer. Place the COSORI at 205 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 minutes. There is no need to preheat. After 8 minutes, your popcorn is ready to shake out of the bowl. Ensure to have a container to shake your popcorn into. Ensure to salt and season or even butter your popcorn. Enjoy and see you next time.